Hi everyone, Olivia here. I'm back again with another tarot reading video, and for today, let's do a no contact reading. No contact. Anong mensahe sa'yo ng person na matagal mo nang iniisip pero no contact na kayo? It's either binlock mo, binlock ka, or there's a deeper reason kung bakit mas pinili nyo na lang yung mag-no contact. Especially if this is a romantic love, this reading is for you. Tingnan natin, this is just a guide. Use your discernment and of course, intuition. Whenever nakikinig or nanonood kayo ng mga tarot reading videos like this, let's do a no contact reading for you. This is a for all zodiac sign reading. I'm seeing number 5. So, pwedeng mahalaga sa'yo yung number na yun. Or 5 in numerology signifies change. There's also Hierophant in Major Arcana. Pwedeng ikaw ay Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Alright, let's do this. No contact. Message kayo ng person. Naka-no contact mo. As of the moment. The Lovers. So, this is a love reading. Confirm. The Lovers. The Fool. King of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. Another 5. This is changes. There's a lot of changes na nangyari or mangyayari pa lang regarding sa connection nito, but very strong pa rin yung pull ng romance here. May iba sa inyo kaya nagkaroon ng no contact is dahil sa health conditions, dahil sa financial instability. And iba sa inyo, super hirap pa rin umusad from this connection. What else? This is a no contact reading for all zodiac sign again. The Star card. For some of you here, I look at Star card intuitively as a self-reflection. Pwedeng this connection, simula nang nagkaroon kayo ng no contact ng person ito, mas naging firm yung pagkilala mo sa sarili mo, yung pagkakaroon mo ng self-reflect, pagsa-self-reflect, mas naging deep yung tingin mo sa relationship. Not necessarily this relationship, pero ito yung naging awakening mo na relationship, na there are relationship talaga na tatatak sa'yo ng sobrang bongga, and mas mapapakita nun yung halaga mo. Another 9 of Pentacles. There's a lot of Pentacles here. The Chariot card. 6 of Cups. 8 of Wands. Yeah, the Hierophant. Like what I've said kanina. Another set. Last set. Seven of Wands. Page of Cups. I'm sorry, Knight of Cups. 6 of Wands. 9 of Cups. and Knight of Pentacles. Alright. There's a lot of energy ng earth signs here, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well. Again, go back to the reading. This connection, maybe ang tagal lang natapos nito, but there are still energies na nararamdaman mo yung pull, especially if napapanaginipan mo yung person or nakikita mo yung mga favorite color niya. But then again, there is this also kagustuhang magkaroon ng reconnection as I'm staring sa the Fool card and the Chariot. Gustong merong energy of taking risks to move forward. Alam mo yung parang gustong mag-reconnect, mag-reach out. For some of you here, there is a big factor yung health dito. Maybe isa sa dahilan yun kung bakit nga kayo nagkaroon ng reconnection ng person mo. But then again, although there is a very magnetic pull of reconciliation, reconnection here, I cannot see here na merong malinaw na communication coming from this person. Pwedeng naiisip niya pa rin yung connection and nagiging defensive siya every time na napagkakwentuhan yun, pero hindi ko nakikita dito na magkakaroon ito ng action sa God. Brown liquor might be significant, or yung kulay brown na inumin. Anything brown na naiinom might be significant. The connection here is still present, it's still strong, pero there is no energy of communication that might be the key of solid reconciliation or reconnection. And yeah, for those who are interested sa aking services, just visit all of my social media accounts, and yeah, see you sa live as well. Namimigay din ako sa Black or TikTok app ng readings. So yeah, follow me there, and thank you so much. Bye!